Babycakes Mini Cake Pop Maker. With the Babycakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, making cake pops couldn't be easier. Simply spray with oil, pour the butter, close the lid, bake for a few minutes, and voila! Perfect round cake balls. Big pancake pops or donuts holes in just minutes with non-stick baking plates. The non-stick baking plates make cleaning a breeze. Just pop them out with ease, then wipe down to clean. The launching handle and non-skid rubber feet keep the unit secure during operation. To purchase this amazing cake pop maker, the details and link is given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.